Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how you can cash your money out from Branch Wallet. As a Spark driver, you know you're getting paid every Tuesday. To cash your money out, you simply log into your Branch Wallet account, and after you're gonna see your balance. Your money out, you're just gonna go ahead to move funds. When you click move funds, there is 4 options, but we're gonna consider the first 2 one. The first one is instant pay, and the one gonna take 3 to 5 business day. I always go with the instant pay because I don't want my money to take days. You know what I'm saying? So it's up to you to choose the first one or the second one, whatever you cool with it. So I take the first one, and then when I take the first, you're gonna ask me to put whatever amount I would like to cash. So I always make sure to cash all my money out. So you can cash a portion of it, you can do whatever you want, but I always make sure all my money out. After you finish put the amount you feel comfortable with, you just click continue. And when you continue, it's gonna take you from here where you're gonna say amount is your balance, and the second one is the fee. They tell me they're gonna take $8.42, and I'm gonna receive $412.73. If you're okay with that, you just click swap up, and it's gonna ask you to enter your passcode again, and then you're gonna tell you your transfer has started. You should receive your money within 5 minutes, and then you click continue. You're gonna see your balance is 0. This is how you can cash your money out from Branch Wallet. This is so easy. So in the next video, I will talk about the other options, and we will talk more about what you can do with Branch Wallet. But for now, we stop here, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace.